welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to make a model of a clock. So let's start. But first we need scale and black sketch pen, or you can use pencil also, and gum also, gum. Now a small circle, we need to cut the small circles for the clock, and same as the small circle like this, orange or any color you can use. Now let's start making the clock. Now first we need the gum. I need to open the gum. Now I can stick the paper on the cardboard. You can take the help of your parents if you want. Now I'm going to stick this. I am sticking it here. Nikki, go. Nikki, go. Go, Nikki. Nikki, go. We need to wait for some time let it dry. Wait. Stop. Now here it is dried. I just marked to write the numbers from 1 to 12. Now I'm going to write. First I will write with the pencil. Now I wrote with the pencil. Now here I am writing with the sketch pen. Now I am going to write number 1. NE1. Now number 2. TWO2. Now number 3. THREE3. Now 4. FOUR4. 5. FIVE5. 6. SIX6. 7. SEVN7. 8. EIGHT8. 9. NINE9. 10. TEN10. 11. ELEVEN11. 11 after the last number is 12. TWELVE 12. Now I am going to take the arrows. Wait, I put the arrows. Now my clock is ready. Now I will show you how it works. This is how it works. Now I am going to show you the examples. First, this is minute hand and this is our hand. For primary kids, we say this is small hand and this is big hand. We say long hand and short hand. Now the time short hand is on 1 and big hand is long hand is on 12. Now this is 1 o'clock. Now I am going to show another example. Now this is 12 o'clock. Now this is 2 o'clock. The short hand is on 2 and the long hand is on 12. 12 o'clock. Now this is 3 o'clock. The short hand is on 3 and the long hand is on 12. 3 o'clock. 3 o'clock. Now I'm going to turn this. Now this is 4 o'clock. The short hand is on 4 and the long hand is on 12. 4 o'clock. The blue color one is minute hand, the long hand. Now the red color one is short hand, our hand. Now I'm going to turn this to 6 to 5. Now this is 5 o'clock. 5 o'clock. Now I'm going to show you the 9 o'clock. The short hand is on 9 and the long hand is on 12. 9 o'clock. 9 o'clock. This is 9 o'clock. Now, not with the examples, but I'm going to show this is 9 o'clock. Now, I'm going to show you the 10 o'clock. Now, this is 10 o'clock. 10 o'clock. The short hand is on 10 and the long hand is on 12. 10 o'clock. Now I'm going to turn this like this. Now this is 11 o'clock. The short hand is on 11 and the long hand is on 12. Now I'm going to turn it to 8. Now this is 8 o'clock. The short hand is on 8 and the long hand is on 12. 8 o'clock. Now this is how it works. I hope you learned well. See you in the next video. Goodbye. Bye-bye. Stay home, stay safe, stay digital. Take care. Bye-bye. If you like my videos, like, share and subscribe. Bye-bye.